In this video, we will see how we can bind the events in our Angular application. As we already know, in any module, an update on property value in component class will update the view template. That is just the data binding. But sometimes we may need the data flow on the basis of some event. Sometimes we want to be triggered on some event like click of mouse, on double click, on mouse over, etc. So the data binding is simply the binding of property value in component class to the HTML template, but the event binding binds the value from the template to the component class. So let me create the new component and start utilizing the event binding and its feature. So we are creating a test component, and later on we will bind the data with the help of data binding and the event binding in this particular test component. Let me add this selector in app.component.html. We will be having two values, username and user type, and we will print the username directly from component to the class, component class to the HTML template, but we will trigger some event in order to show the user type. Let me give it a name Sam, and user type equals to blank. We will have some external API that will fetch the details on the click event, but right now on the click event we will be directly showing that particular user type as admin. Let me add this. Welcome. Inside the bracket I will add that property username. Let me create a button and apply an event, set username. So we are binding the event set user type, and this will be triggering the event on the click of that particular button. And it will print over here the current user kind of message I am adding. The current user is of type user type. So in this particular event, I am simply giving this dot user type equals to admin. Let me run the application. So you can see that particular SAM value is binded from class component to our HTML template. And now I'm going to click on set user type button. So it is triggering the event and setting the value of the user type. So this is what we do on event binding. Data binding is done from class to template, and from template to class is done through event binding. Let us go on brief. There is a special variable that is called dollar $event, and we will see let me add this particular dollar $event over here, and it will send the complete event information to the method. Let me take a parameter event, and we will do console.log to this particular event, and later on you will decide whatever you want to do to this particular event. Let me click this and see what is happening. So when I am clicking on set user type, I am getting the event type of mouse event, and inside this there are lot many properties of this particular event. Its x value, y value, where it is clicked, path, and it is type click. There are so many things that you can see over here, and you will decide whatever you want to do in your application based on these particular attributes or properties available inside that particular event. Right now I have just console.log all the directly the object to print all the values attribute. So thank you so much.